Hello, my dear students. Welcome back in online class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Myself, Rajni Rani. I'm your maths teacher. Our today's topic is exercise of shapes. Exercise based on shapes. In the previous classes, you already studied about shapes. In this class, I'm going to tell you something about some exercise based on shapes. Let's start. Exercise 1. Match. Students, in front of us, some shapes are given. We have to match these shapes with their names. Okay, students. First of all, A. The shape is triangle. The shape is triangle. Okay, students. And the spelling is triangle, triangle. Now we will match this spelling with the shape of triangle, or the shape of the triangle we will match with the spelling. Okay. Now question B. The shape is circle. CIRCLE. Now we will match the shape with the spelling. Okay? Yes. Now number C. Number C, you identify very easily. This is rectangle. And the spelling is RECTANGLE, rectangle. Now we will match rectangle with the spelling, or shape of rectangle we will match the spelling. Now number D. Students, you identify very easily. This is square, and the spelling is SQUARE, square. Okay. Now first picture is triangle, means picture A, triangle. Number B, circle. Number C, rectangle. Number D, square. Okay, now we will move on question B, or exercise 2. Trace, color and name the shapes. Students, in question number 2, shapes are given in the form of dots. First of all, we will complete the following shapes, and after the complete, we will color all the shapes and we will write the names. Number A. Number A is square. So first of all, we will join all the dots and complete the shape of square. Okay. After completing the shape, we will color this shape, and then we will write the spelling, and the spelling is SQUARE, square. I think students, you know very well, in square all the lines are equal. Okay, in square we have 4 lines and all the lines are equal. Now number B. Number B is rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. First of all, we will complete this shape with the help of given dots. Next step is we will color the shape, and next we will write the spelling. Once again, RECTANGLE, rectangle. Students, yes, we will revise once again. In rectangle, 2 lines are equal, means opposite lines are equal, means सामने सामने की दोनों लाइंस बराबर होती हैं. ओके, यस. नंबर सी. Number C shape is circle. First of all, we will complete the shape. Next step, we will color the shape. And last step is we will write the name. We will write the spelling. And the spelling is CIRCLE, circle. Once again, CIRCLE, circle. Now our last shape. This is triangle. This is triangle. In triangle, we have 3 lines. With the help of 3 lines, we draw a triangle. First of all, we will complete the shape of triangle. Next step, we will color the triangle. And in the last, we will write the spelling of triangle or name the shape, that is triangle. And spelling is TRIANGLE, triangle. Now once again we will revise our shapes. Number A, square. Name is square and the spelling is SQUARE, square. Number B, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Number C shape is circle. CIRCLE, circle. Number D, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Now our next question number 3. Color the rectangles yellow, squares red, circles blue and triangles green. Students, now in front of us one picture of engine is given. Okay, one engine is given in front of us. This engine having lots of shapes. Okay, like square, rectangles, circles and triangles. Okay, now we will color all the shapes in different colors. Okay students, I told you now, this engine have lots of shapes like square, rectangles, circle and triangles. And we will color all the shapes with different colors. Yes, rectangles yellow. In these shapes, we have some rectangles and these rectangles we will complete with yellow colors. Now, next is squares. Students, in this shape we have squares and these squares we will complete with red color. Now, circles. Students, in this engine we have circles. Now with the help of blue color we will complete our circles. And last shape is triangles. We will color our triangles with green color. Okay, now next exercise number 4. Join dots to make the shapes. Okay friends, join dots to make the shapes. Students, in front of us, first square. Yes, now students, this is square shape. Now we will make one more square with the help of given shape. Okay, now we will start. Yes, this is square. Number next is rectangle. Now we will draw one rectangle. You know very well students, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Now next is once again rectangle. Next is triangle. Students, in front of us we have two kinds of triangles with different shapes. Okay beta. Last also triangle. Yes. Okay students. Now with the help of dots we complete our exercise. Number 1 square, number 2 rectangle, number 3 once again rectangle, number next triangle, and the last shape is also triangles. Okay students, now here we have two types of rectangle and two types of triangles. Okay students, now our next exercise, name the shapes. Okay students, here we have different kind of shapes. We will write their names. Number 1, number A is coin, and the shape of coin is circle. CIRCLE, circle. Number B is, yes students, I think you identify this shape. This is triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Number C, this is clock, and you know very well this is circle. Spelling is CIRCLE, circle. Now number D. Students, this is dice. Okay, in Ludo, snake and ladders we play with dice na, so this is dice. This is square shape. Okay, and the spelling is SQUARE, square. Okay, number next E. This is carom board. Okay friends, and the shape of carom board is squares. Okay beta, the shape of carom board is square. SQUARE, square. Number next, this is Indian currency. This is note, and the shape of this note is rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Now our last shape is, this is chocolate, and the shape of this chocolate is again rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay students, now homework time. Complete page number 75 and 76 in your maths book. Complete page number 75 and 76 in your maths book. Watch this video once again. Watch this video once again. Thank you students. Have a nice day.